So today we are learning the method of cross multiplication used for solving the two linear equations. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then first of all we will write the coefficients and the constant here in this way. Starting from coefficient of y, we write b1, b2 here, then we write c1, c2 constants. Again we write the coefficients of x, a1, a2, and finally b1, b2, the coefficients of y. Means start from coefficients of y and end at the coefficient of y again. b1, b2, then c1, c2, then a1, a2, and again finally b1, b2. In this way you will get three gaps, 1, 2, 3. In first gap you write x, in second you write y, in third you write 1. And therefore x upon this into this, cross like this. b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y upon like this. c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to like this and then this. 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. In this way. Put the values here and you will get x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1. b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon this a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and you will write y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Because when solving for x you take this and this, so this is equal to this, so this will go in numerator and you will find x equal to. Solving for y equal to y, you take only this much portion, so y equal to this will go here and this upon this you will get as c1 c2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So here I give you an example of two equations, 3x plus 4y equal 4y equal to 10 and plus 3y is equal to 7. Now I want to solve these two. So how will I solve it? Or this is first equation, this is second equation. So for solving them, I will write or 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. You will have to take the constants in left hand side from right hand side, and then applying the same procedure which I told you, same method, you will be able to find x is equal to as b1 c2, x equal to b1 c2. 4 7 ja 28 minus 28 minus b2 c1. So b2 c1, b2 is 3 and 3 10 ja 30 upon E1 B2, 3 3 are 9 minus 2 4 are 8 equal to minus 28 plus 30 upon 1 equal to 30 minus 28, 2 upon 1 equal to 2. And y equal to C1 E2. So this is your C1 and this is your A2. C1 A2 minus 10 into 2 minus 20 minus C2 E1, 7 3 are 21, that means 7 3 are 21, so 21 it is minus 21 I think here, upon the same here E1 B2, 3 is a 9 minus 4 is a 8 equal to minus 20 plus 21 upon 1 equal to 21 minus 20 equal to 1 upon 1 equal to 1, or x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is answered. So this was the method of cross multiplication used for solving the two linear equations. If you don't take these coefficients in left hand side, in that case you will only make a change, and that will be like this. You write here B1 B2 first. In this here you write B1 B2, then again C1 C2, then E1 E2, and finally B1 B2. And in that case you may write here x, you write here y, and you write here minus 1. In what case? In which case? And in that case while you don't take these two coefficients in left hand side. Without bringing them to left hand side, you can use the same procedure which I told you, but in that case only you will have to use -1 here. So this is for your ease, and you may practice them now at home. Okay, thanks.